Hi friends, I'm Jan. I just want to talk about Clean Planet now. You know, Clean Planet is a new account on Steem blockchain, and Clean Planet is created by Sylvain and me, Jan. Why Clean Planet? Just humans consider the Earth as a garbage bin, and we think about that. We all know the power reward of Steem blockchain. Reward for the good photography, reward for the good article, and reward for the good video. And we think that Clean Planet, this new account, could reward the good action for the planet. Maybe you already see me in video grab garbage and put in a public bin. It's really important to do that. The planet, our planet, is not a garbage bin. Then now I'm just at work, I'm a nurse, and I'm in a place. I will just look around to see if there is garbage. Today we are the 11th of August, and I will do my Clean Planet work now. Plastic. Okay. Oh. Bottle of beer. Okay, just first action of 11th of August. Clean Planet, 11 August. August. It's really not devalorizing to do this action. Wow. Near a school. So dangerous. I really don't think that our planet is a bin. There is too garbage. Wow, another one. There. Oh. Clean Planet, 11 August. Okay, then, as you see, you can do the same all around the world. We are waiting for you. Join the movement. Join Clean Planet movement.